How to log in to Keka Employee Account. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily sign into your Keka Employee Account portal. First thing you can do is open up your web browser and simply search for Keka Employee Account. Then you could just go ahead and search for it. Now you could just go ahead and click on the first link that you see here, app.keka.com for employee login. You can sign in with your Microsoft account, Google account, or continue with your Keka username. For that, you're going to have to provide your Keka company's domain name .keka.com. Then enter your personal username and password. Complete this CAPTCHA. If you don't understand it, you can click on this reload button to generate a new one. Now just go ahead and click on login. And if you want to see other login options, as you can see, you can continue on with your mobile number, Microsoft account, and Google account. That is basically it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon, and subscribe for more. I'll catch you guys in the next video.